Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using Laboxd Science Kit. Today's activity is Conductors and Insulators. Conductors are materials that permit electrons to flow freely from particle to particle. Materials that allow the passage of electricity are called conductors. Insulators are materials that do not allow the passage of electricity through them. They resist the movement of electrons through them. The activity packet contains a procedure sheet, screwdriver, metal plate, wooden piece, and a yellow colored material. Bulb holder, connecting wires, a small bulb, some screws, battery, and a yellow board. Fix the screws to the board using a screwdriver. Use the double-sided gum tape to stick the bulb holder to the board. Now stick the bulb holder. Connect one wire from one screw to the bulb holder. Connect one wire of battery clip to the second part of the bulb holder. Connect the second wire of the battery clip to the other screw. Now, fix the bulb to the holder. Attach the battery to the battery clip. Now the arrangement is ready to check the conductivity of materials. Keep the metal plate such that it touches the both screws. Observe the bulb. We can see that the bulb glows, so metal plate conducts electricity. Now keep the wooden piece in the same way and observe the bulb. The bulb does not glow. So, wooden piece is a bad conductor or insulator. Now keep the yellow piece given in the kit and observe the bulb. Does it glow? No, the bulb does not glow. So, it is an insulator. You can check any number of materials and decide whether it is a conductor or insulator. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching today's experiment. Do like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.